back to the channel, guys. This is HVAC Made Easy. Today we'll be doing a condenser fan motor replacement. So stay tuned and I'll show you how. So this here is my favorite puller. Gonna use this to pull the blade off the condenser fan motor. Gonna need this. This is my Kroll oil. I love this one. And I got the good old sand cloth so I could clean the shaft. All right, so this here is the condenser fan motor. So first you want to get your sun cloth and just sand the shaft down, get all the rust off. You want to use your oil. Spray it on the shaft. The set screw right here. We're gonna open that set screw. Careful not to bend the blade. So you want to remove the set screw all the way. So this is the puller. What we're gonna do is put this area over this, and we're gonna tighten these 3 bolts so it could lock the hub here. But what you want to be careful is this hole here. That's for the set screw. You don't want this to aim in that direction because it will go in that hole and damage the threading. So carefully put this here. You want to know, okay, my hole is here. I want to let it fall in the middle here, away from the hole. Close my 3 bolts. So those 3 bolts lock the hub. Now we're gonna use this wrench. And what's gonna happen, this long bolt is gonna push against the shaft. Therefore, it's gonna let the blade slide off. There it is. The blade's off. It's gonna loosen the screws. Now, as you can see here, this is where the bolt was. If it had lined up with this hole, it would have go straight through it and damage the threading. So careful not to line it up with the hole. So right here, I'm gonna use my bit, which is 11/32 right here. Now we just remove the fan. So this here is our new motor. You want to make sure they match up, both design and all the ratings are the same. It's a direct match. You're gonna remove this. Run the wires back through the conduit. Now we're gonna put our motor in place. Now I like to use a zip tie to secure the conduit right here. And now for our blade. So you want to make sure that this hole lines up with the flat section on the shaft, because this is where you're gonna put your bolt back. So just aim it up. You want to feed your wires through the hole. Gonna get these wires, these 3 wires gotta be fed back through here. Now let's hook it back up to the contactor. So right here we got our 3 wires. Red is our L1, blue is L2, and black is L3. So we're gonna put it at the bottom here. Now I'm gonna zip tie the wire to these so it doesn't get loose. All right, guys, we're gonna turn it on and check for correct operation. Turn our disconnect on. This is a train unit. All you gotta do is ground test 1 and test 2 to get it in test mode. I like to use a jumper, so I connect it to test 1. Test 2, the first time I connect it, it's gonna turn on the blower. Second time is gonna turn on the compressor. So let's go. You're gonna hear a click on the relays here. So there, it just clicked. So I'm gonna remove test 2, put it back on. Compressor should come on. There it is. Remove it. We're now gonna check the amps. It's pulling. So turn your meter to amps. Check L1, 0.86. L2, 0.81. And L3, 0.82. So all the readings are below what it's rated for. So we're good. Unit's cooling. You can see I'm starting to have condensation here. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe so I could give you more videos like this. Hope it helps someone out there in the field. We're here to help. We see you again on the next video. Peace out.